Hey beauties, it's Daisy and I'm back with another video. Today we have this curly blonde highlighted wig. It's super pretty and I love the way that it came out. It is from Sunber Hair. They sent me some lashes, a wig cap, baby hair brush. I have a million of those things everywhere because like every company sends them to me, which is great. And this is how the wig it looks straight out the packaging. Of course, the knots needed to be bleached, so I did that off camera. Let me know if you want to see my bleaching and plucking process. I was thinking I need to show you guys more, so if you're interested, just let me know. Here is the wig after it's been bleached and plucked. It was a little bit over bleached, so that was my fault, but it still looks really good. And this is the curl pattern, how it came out. This is the wig completely wet. So what I do is usually bleach my knots and pluck the wig, especially when I have a curly wig. I could just pop it right on and do the install. It makes it super easy. If it's a straight or body wave wig, I usually let it air dry, but since I'm going to be wetting the wig anyways, we don't have to worry about that. I'm doing the install using my Got to Be glue, of course. And as you can see, this lace is super transparent. So I cleaned up the hairline and everything. I'm going in with my blow dryer on a cool setting, 30 seconds to a minute. You just want to make sure that it's dry, not super tacky around the hairline. And I work in 3 sections, so it makes the process easier. The thing is, this light is so bright, so sometimes the wig doesn't even look like transparent, like it's sitting all the way down. But trust me, it is. And that is the good part about the scarf, because once you put the scarf on, it just melts the lace. Everybody puts like those wig caps on and does all that extra stuff. I don't. To each his own, but I feel like when you glue down the cap and everything, that's just too much glue and too much work on your hairline. So this is the easier way for me. I'm going in with my water bottle mixed with conditioner. I usually use Fruit Garnier because they are the best, so I just put a little bit in there. And I also go in with my curling gel. It's only like $2 at the beauty supply store. So if you haven't checked it out, check out World of Curl. And that really gets the scrunchy curls. If you're looking for more of a loose curl, I would suggest use mousse. But yeah, we are just getting this curl popping. You always want to brush the hair back. Like you see that little spot I missed, so I'm just combing over that. Because once your hair is like dry, you want it to just sit perfectly so you don't mess up the curl pattern. So I always have a little bit of extra glue towards the hairline because, to be honest, that helps like get every little piece of lace, especially when you use zigzag motions. I noticed like you need a little bit of extra glue because you may not catch that little zigzag, okay? So we just clean it up with a paper towel, a damp one, and then we are just working on this hairline, and I'm gonna show you how I do these baby hairs. So here the hair is about, I would say like 70% dry, maybe 60, but your girl had to go. Okay, my baby was crying in the background, but this is how the hair looks. Like I said, 70% dry. I love the wet look. It feels so good. I had a little bit of shedding, but nothing crazy because I did pluck the hairline, and no tangling whatsoever. This wig was bomb. I love the color. It's perfect for the end of summer. Let me get my color in before we switch to fall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Till my next video. Later.